I hope you all are safe and secure. So today I am going to tell you how to draw a Nike logo. So first we will draw two lines from one single point, one a little down and one a little bit straight. And please draw it with the help of a scale, otherwise it will not look perfect. So as we have seen that now I have drawn two lines. Then we have to make these both lines a little curved by their ends. Then we have to take the upper line to a long arc upwards. Then I think so it's a little bit more curved. So I will erase it. Now we have to I will extend it more. And now I will take this whole arc and join it with the second downward arc. As we have seen, the Nike logos, the main logo is formed. Now we will write the Nike on. So first I have taken the inch scale and I will take half scale each line. I have to draw each line half inch. We have to draw 5 normal lines and one big line. Then we have to take the scale range only and a little bit above the scale range. Then again we have to take half next scale. So we have to make 5 small lines and one long line above also. So now we will join the lines, and now as you can see that it will become the Nike, written like Nike. Then you have to make a line like this, join it to the left top line, then same at the bottom. Then we have to draw I, so we will join the lines as we have done in the letter N. Then we will make K. First we will draw the first line, then we will make the second line and we will leave a small space in between. Then with the bottom dot we will join the bottom line, and with the top dot we will join the top dot. Then we will again make two lines in the middle of the K. Then we will join this line to that point. Then we will make E. Then first we will join the first line. Then we will make 3 small lines in gap of almost 1 inch. Then we will make E with making lateral lines. So this is, we are making E, and this is the last letter, and after this our Nike logo is complete. You can color it with black sketch pen. It will look beautiful with black sketch pen. As you have seen that I have drawn the logo, and you can color it with any color you want, but black looks amazing in the Nike logo. So thank you for seeing it, and bye bye. See you.